So right here is how to make mac and cheese. Put 8 cups of water in a pan and then boil it, and after it boils, put in the macaroni and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes until it's soft. And then make sure while you're cooking it, stir it around and then drain. Add 1 cup of water to the macaroni. Mix in the cheese. Boil for 3 to 5 minutes and serve. It's yummy. Now time for the candied yam. First, cut the yam into thin slices. Make sure it's cooked. Then put it on the pan, and before that, put some oil on the pan before you put it on. And then also put it on medium heat. Flip on both sides. Also make sure to flip it after like 30 seconds or 1 minute because it does cook very fast. And then sprinkle some brown sugar and then cook it to melt it and then serve. It's yummy. This is how to make sushi. You need seaweed, rice, and whatever else you want. Please don't seaweed. Put rice on top of it. And then just put the things you picked, put the other one you picked, and then put it on there. And then just roll it like this. Then you can eat it. Now time for the peppermint honey oat milk tea. So first, boil 3 cups of water. Add 3 tablespoons of peppermint tea leaves using a filter. And then boil from 3 to 5 minutes. And then after, turn off the stove and add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Add 3 tablespoons of honey and a cup of oat milk, and then pour it in a cup with ice. Peppermint honey tea with oat milk, and then done. And it's yummy. And now time for the Korean barbecue beef brisket. First, turn on the pan to medium. Put the beef brisket on the pan, and then cook it until it's all brown. And right before you put it on a plate, sprinkle some black pepper on top of that. Now time for the sauce. Mince 1 garlic. Add a packet of gluten-free soy sauce. Add 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Add 9 teaspoons of water and mix. I made Korean barbecue meat, some sauce for it, and I'm eating it with rice. And that's all. Enjoy.